Hey guys, this is Substitute Topher. Today we were out at Atlanta Motorsports Park doing some wet autocross in the 2023 Subaru BRZ. We are out here today with Bridgestone testing out some of their newest tires, and the one we're testing out here on the BRZ is the one I am most excited about. It is Bridgestone's new Potenza Sport All Season. This tire replaces what we knew before as the RE980 AS, so it is now just simplified down to Potenza Sport AS for all season, as Bridgestone kind of simplifies their naming strategy. But what you need to know about these new tires is that they are slightly redesigned. There's slightly new materials that have gone into these tires. They have new tread compound with what they're calling PeakLife polymer technology, which essentially means these tires are able to last longer than the outgoing RE980 AS, as these have a 50,000 mile tread wear warranty. And as you can see here right now, they are getting this nice and wet for us because we're going to be doing some wet autocross to kind of demonstrate the all-weather and all-season performance here of these new Potenza Sport all-season tires. These were actually the exact cars that were used in the development of these tires. So these cars came from the Bridgestone HQ all the way down here to Atlanta to demonstrate in the wet autocross the performance of these new tires. So we're gonna get behind the wheel of the BRZs and we'll see what these tires are all about. Now, we're quite familiar with the BRZ, of course, on this channel, but not necessarily with the automatic, and especially not with these new all-season tires that are not even on sale yet. So we're going to go out and we're going to see how these do on a wet autocross. Ready? I'm ready.
Going with Nick, one of the fastest in the business.
That's right.
We'll teach you right.
All right, cool. I'm here today with Nick. He's in the passenger seat. Just going to make sure that I don't spin out or crash or anything like that. But we're just going to go out, go for a few laps, and see how these new Potenza Sport all-season tires handle in the wet. All right, so we're going to start out with just a few kind of sighting laps. Get those wipers turned on. We'll try and simulate just kind of some regular driving, because these are, of course, just an all-season tire. Seem to break away pretty nicely, pretty progressive. And like super confidence inspiring. Even in the wet, I don't feel like I'm gonna lose the back of the car. But what I will say is that, not about the tires, about the Subaru BRZ, is it's hilarious how sideways it lets you get even with traction control on. I came out here before I put the camera on and was surprised how sideways the car goes with traction on. Yeah, super confidence inspiring front end here. I don't feel a ton of understeer. Back end comes around nicely. Good feel when you're on the brakes as well. A little bit of understeer there. That's me coming in kind of hot to that corner. And in liftoff, when you're cornering, when you lift off the gas, you don't feel the rear end coming around in a sketchy way or anything. It's pretty good. This is the slipperiest part of the course by far.
Quick hands.
Thank you. Of course, not a huge fan of the automatic in the BRZ, but I don't really think anybody is, so I'm not alone in that. But still allowing us to get around here. Okay, I think we're probably rolling in, yeah, we're rolling in second gear right now. Feel great.
So you need just a touch more brake pressure there in that
Yep,
corner.
because I'm coming
As
in
you're
too
going
hot
downhill.
understeering. Yep.
Your entry speed is great, just a little more brake pressure.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Perfect. See how it gets the front rotated?
Yes, exactly. I feel like I should be doing my shuffle steering through here like the stunt driving school.
Absolutely. None of that hand over hand stuff.
That's right. Small world. Nick is also an instructor, instructs the drivers at Bobby Orr, which is the stunt driving school that you all saw here a couple months ago on the channel. Cool. All right. Well, I think cool. Well, I think that's
job.
good. I think
That
we'll
was
wrap it
awesome,
up.
yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, a lot of laps there.
Yeah, pretty confidence-inspiring tire there, and overall pretty good feel on that track. I like how you guys have that set up in the back, how you kind of go through an S, and you can carry some speed out of that corner there and feel the stability, and not have to worry about it.
It forces you to have to turn both ways really
That's right.
quickly, so you
Yeah.
can see what the tire does, understeer or not.
Exactly.
There's no understeer with this tire.
No understeer, no
Unless
like.
you come in too fast.
That's right. Yeah.
That's any tire.
I think the biggest thing for me is there's no like sketchy lift-off oversteer. Like you don't
Not at
feel
all.
the weightlessness or
A lot of
anything. So
confidence.
cool. Well, thanks, man.
Good job.
Appreciate it.
Hey, from here, nice driving out there.
Oh, thank you.
You're getting with it.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Cool, guys. Well, that's going to wrap it up for us today here in the wet autocross in the automatic BRZ. Tedward, Miles, greetings.
Greetings.
Pretty dang good tire. No weird lift-off oversteer or like any sort of weird sketchiness. It feels super planted.
Yeah, just like the breakaway. It feels
Yeah.
like as you get over the threshold from grip to understeer
Yes.
in a really like slow manner, and then it takes very little to retract and oh no,
Definitely. Yeah.
do over, and then
Yeah.
you just bring it back and it's on.
Even in the weird, sketchy, like traction control on sideways moments, it feels totally
Yeah,
fine.
the traction control is. That's all I'll say about that. Yeah,
Yeah, that's right.
But the tire matches the car, I think is my
Oh,
takeaway.
definitely,
It's
yeah.
a very balanced car. It's really easy to play with, and the tire is like, yeah, let's do more of that.
Yeah, definitely. Well, cool. That'll wrap it up for us today. Thank you guys all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Hey guys, this is Substitute Topher. Today we were out at